quick test drive here. Now if you see any flickering on the gauges or screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Check out the full build sheet on the website. Makes a little over 600 on 91, Procharged, cammed, all the goodies. Does have the check engine light. That'll be notated on the website what that is. I believe it had something to do with the exhaust and all that good stuff. We're gonna go on a quick drive though. Got the painted orange stripes to match the interior. Looks awesome. 94,417 miles. Getting on it. Sounds incredible, and it definitely pulls. The owner spent a lot of money to get this thing perfect. Blow off sounds amazing. You're gonna hear some kind of clicking around and stuff. That most of that's the roll bar. The flickering you see here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. I just love the orange accents, matches all of the red. Sounds amazing. Incredible. It's shifting really nice. No complaints of drivability. Alignment is solid. The steering's nice and straight. Get on it too much. The car definitely shifts amazing though. Like I said, runs like a champ. All right, checking out the engine bay. This is where all the fun is. Got your Procharger P1X. We'll have the entire build sheet on the website. Current owner had all of this done. Very well documented. Brand new belt here. Nice and clean. Looks awesome. Underhood liner looks awesome. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So go check out the website if you haven't already. There is a big build list on this car, making over 600 to the wheel on 91. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So if you haven't checked out the website, go look at it. I will have all of this listed on there. But it has a ton of upgrades. Procharger, it's cammed, makes a little over 600 horsepower on 91. It is set up for E85 as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, the stripes here, those are painted. All the black accents in here, that was all painted. So this is a Really, really cool car. Now, it has had some paint work, and I will show you some of that stuff. And like I said, this too, that was painted. That's not a vinyl. This is all painted, and that is painted. This is a perfect car to take to the track and enjoy. It is not like a perfect piece by any means, but it still looks really good. So when they did the stripes, they repainted the entire hood. And when they did all of this, at some point, they repainted that whole front bumper. And then on the deck lid, when they painted the stripes, of course, they repainted the entire deck lid and this spoiler. And so the color is going to be a little off. So if you look at that bumper, see it is yellowed, and that has more of a yellow hue. And this quarter panel is bright white. So not done by the current owner, but it happened at some point in its life. This quarter panel has been painted up to that rail, and the same on the other side. The back bumper has been painted too at some point in his life, and I think it was really, really early on, because you can see it has yellowed a little bit. So that was done at some point. The quarter panels have been repainted. Of course, the current owner, they did do this, so that is fresh. I think the doors are original. I think the fenders are original. And like I said, hood and front bumper have been painted. Nice and clean, bright white. You can see that fender right there, I think is original, because it has a little bit of a yellow hue to it. And then I think the door's original, and then this quarter panel has been painted at some point in its life. So we'll get up close to that in just a second. But this is really cool, and they look really nice. So looking at that fender, bright white, looks really good. Date code 2021 on the tires, Pirellis to 1565. Now the wheels could use a good polish. That's pretty easy. Overall still in good condition. These are vinyl, an overlay. A couple chips here and there, you know, little flaws. You're gonna have chips on the edge. You can see in here some of the paint right there. It's kind of cracking on the inside. That was painted at some point. Side mirrors have been painted as well, but there is some damage. So you can see gashes there. Overall, the doors look good. I don't see any dings or anything. Now, one other big thing to notate is the current owner, there were some scratches in here on both sides, and so he did spray and try to like kind of touch it up. And so if you look in here, you do have a lot of overspray. And so you're going to see it's really splotchy in here, and there's some pretty heavy paint runs. And so the current owner said he did this. He kind of sprayed all in there. This is all original, but there's little scratches, so he's just trying to touch it up, which is done with kind of a rattle can. So you're going to see that. And of course, I said the fender or the quarter panel has been painted, so there is some kind of hard tape lines there. A lot of texture in there. And we'll check out the other side as well. Those are painted, like I said. Now that fuel door is original paint. It looks like it is yellowed just a little bit compared to that quarter. Same with that back bumper. This little attention to detail is really cool though. All of that being painted. A couple little rock chips. Upper section looks good. Now these are an orange color. They almost look red in camera, but it is a very, very dark orange. Some little scuffs here and there. And you do have rash right there. And then if you look on that, it looks like they dripped possibly some orange from here onto there. So you have some orange splotches. Now this fender, I think, is original, like I said, has more of a yellow hue compared to the new hood and front bumper. So you're going to see that slight discoloration there. here on that wheel. Overall in great condition. The rest of that fender looks good. Do have some light scratches on the mirror. A-pillar, that has been painted. It looks really good. Now up in the corner, you do have some little chipping and stuff like that. But when they did this, looks incredible. Really, really nice. Down here at the door, you got chips. Little touch-up spots. Rock chips there. Got a chip here. And looking at the door edge, you have some gashes and chips. And like I said, they painted this. So when you look in here, you have overspray all down there. None of this got touched, just kind of in this area down. So it still retains those stickers. They just kind of painted in here. You see the texture in there. You're gonna see the overspray and stuff here. And like I said, this quarter panel has been painted. There's a little bit of overspray in here, but the color looks incredible. They did a great job there. Like I said, wheels need to be polished. The back ones have a lot of kind of milky swirls in it. Mickey Thompson's Dayco 2021. And then you're going to see right here where some of the paint was in that jam. And then, like I said, the back bumper was painted at some point as well. It has yellowed. It's not as bright as this. And sometimes it doesn't really translate in camera. And the clear coat on it is kind of fading. So there's some brown in here and a lot of texture. And there's a lot of brown spots there and kind of a brown spot here, if you can see that. And then you have spider cracking on that back bumper. Really seeing it just in that area. Got the Borla exhaust. And like I said, they had all of this painted though. That looks really good. Nice and clean. I don't see any other spider cracking, just some little scuffs and scratches and some yellowing of the paint. All right, looking at the interior, got the orange accents on the seat. Now keep in mind, we don't have this bolted in. I just set it in there for the photos. So I'm gonna pull this out and store that in the trunk, but it does have all the hardware to bolt it up. Non-smoker. Looking at this door panel, a couple little scratches. Got the orange accents in here to match the stripes. You have some scratches, some gashes right here. A little bit of wear on that plastic. The rest of that looks good though. And you have some gashes in here, some deeper ones. And then looking at this trim in here, like I said, the current owner said there's some scratches in here from just getting in and out, stuff with the roll bar probably clipping it and hitting it. So you're gonna see some damage there, and that they kind of used some sort of paint, spray paint. They painted it, so you're gonna have a lot of overspray. Like I said in here, you're gonna see that texture. And that's what we were told, all the overspray in here, that they just kind of taped it off a little bit and sprayed in here, and then they added these plates. You're gonna see typical gashes and wear on the seat. That looks good. Checking out that bolster, it looks awesome. You do have some rips right here and a lot of grime on the edge. Upper side, that looks good. You do have little scratches kind of throughout the seat. Here's your harness. Everything else is just kind of tucked back there just to make it easy to get in and out for now. Looking at the steering wheel, little scuffs and scratches, just small stuff, guys, little things. I mean, this is not a perfect car, but it is an absolute monster. This is one you take to the track, go rip around in and have fun. You got the Alpine. You can see the dash right here. It is popping out, and it's popping out right here too. So I can get that snapped in, and then it kind of pops out again. So you can see that. The rest of that looks good. Got the sunroof. Right, looking at the door panel here, you got the orange to match the stripe. Looks incredible. Overall in great condition. Like we talked about in the Jam, the current owner did spray paint the Jams. It had some scratches in there, and they tried to touch it up. So you do have a lot of texture and overspray in here. You're gonna feel that. You're gonna see the runs. Looks cool. This is not fully bolted in. We just kind of have it in there for looks right now. That will be stored in the trunk, but when you do want to put this in, I would tighten it down all the way. Carpets look good. You do have a snag right there in the leather. That bolster looks nice. Overall, that seat is in great condition. Looking back there, you can see all of that. You do have a gash right there, and you can see the center stack here is popping out. See that? Glove box, that looks good. Upper side, that looks awesome. Getting a good view under here. Then looking in the trunk, you kind of have the Dynamat material. A little bit of yellowing there. Looking through the rest of that though, looks good. You're gonna see some hard tape lines here. That's what I was gonna say, it's been painted. Got a hard tape line here. The rest of that looks good. Nice and clean.